Hi guys, in front of me is HOTWAV T5 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your contact list. Then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Mark Edit and select Add Photo. Here you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, whatever you prefer. Then choose the picture that you want to apply. Customize it however you like. So as you can see, you can zoom it in, out, you can rotate it, just however you wish. Then click on Save Copy and tap on Save to apply the change. As you can see, from now on, this picture is assigned to particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.